Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss another example, that is FIFO branch and bound solution to solve 01 knapsack problem. Here we consider 01 knapsack instance as n equal to 4, then 4 objects P1, P2, P3, P4 with their profits as 10, 10, 12 and 18, and the 4 objects with their corresponding weights as W1, W2, W3, W4 equal to 2, 4, 6 and 9, and given knapsack capacity M equal to 15. Then next important thing is to solve any given problem using branch and bound. First we need to consider, or first we need to construct the state space tree. Then here the first diagram will shows or represent the state space tree to solve 01 knapsack problem using FIFO technique, that is first in first out branch and bound technique, and the second part will show some calculation part that generates the maximum number and minimum number for each node. The one more important thing is, as we all know that the 01 knapsack problem is traditionally a maximization technique, that is we are expecting maximum profit from this knapsack problem, but here branch and bound technique we are using a minimization technique to get the maximum solution or to get the maximum profit. This is an kind of reverse technique we are following or using to get the maximum profit, or to get the maximization problem we are solving using minimization technique. Now with these given values for all the 4 objects for this given knapsack problem, start constructing or designing a state space tree as shown in this diagram. Then at the first you have to construct the root node. The node 1 is the root node and it is also called as the expandable node, and at the root node 1 you have to calculate the upper number and lower number by using this calculation. First you have to consider all the 4 objects. Then first place the object 1 into the knapsack and its weight is 2 and you will earn profit as minus 10. Similarly, place the object 2 into the knapsack, its weight is 4 and you will earn profit as minus 10. Similarly, place the object 3 into the knapsack, its weight is 6 and you will earn profit as minus 12. Then here together 6 plus 4 plus 2 it becomes 12, but the knapsack capacity is 15. That's why only remaining space available is 3. Only remaining space available is 3, but the weight of the object 4 is 9. That's why it is not possible to place the object 4 completely into the knapsack. Then here you have to consider the fractional part and you have to place only remaining space. Try to include or try to place only the fractional part of the object 4 into the knapsack by using this formula, that is only available space is 3 divided by 9 into 18 and you will get the minus 6 as the profit. That is the 18 is the profit associated with object 4 and 9 is the weight of the object 4. Then by this you will get the maximum number as minus 6 plus minus 12 plus minus 10 plus minus 10 as minus 38. Then similarly calculate the lower number as by using this calculation. Place the object 1 into the knapsack, its weight is 2 and profit is minus 10. Place the object 2 into the knapsack, its weight is 4 and profit is minus 10. Place the object 3 into a knapsack, weight is 6 and profit is minus 12. Then together 6 plus 4 plus 2 it is 12. Remaining space is 3, but the weight of the object 4 is 9. That's why it is not possible to completely place the object 4 into the knapsack. Then when it is not possible to completely place any object into the knapsack, you simply discard that object or don't include or don't place that object into the knapsack. This is an 01 technique. Then here for lower number you will get by completely discarding object 4 into the knapsack. Then here you will get the lower number as minus 12 plus minus 10 plus minus 10 equal to minus 30. By this calculation you will get the upper number and lower number at the root node 1 equal to minus 38 and minus 32 as represented in this state space tree. Then one more important thing is, once you calculate the upper number and lower number at the state space tree at the root node 1, the next you have to initialize one global upper variable as u equal to minus 32. That is a lower number. You have to initialize one global number as minus 32. Then next, further you have to expand the root node 1 and you will get the new child nodes as node 2 and node 3. Then again, by following this technique, you have to calculate the upper number and lower number at each node. Then first technique is, you are expanding the root node 1 with object 1, and you are expanding the node 3 without placing object 1 into the knapsack. Two possibilities: one is include object into the knapsack, another possibility is without placing object into the knapsack. Then at the root node 2 and 3 you will get the new values. Then again, remember that when you include or when you place the object 1 into the knapsack, you will get the same values as minus 32 and minus 38 and minus 32 at the root node. And you have to calculate the new upper number and lower number values without placing object 1 into the knapsack represented at the node 3. Then here at node 3, without placing object 1 into the knapsack, you will get the new values. Then you are not including the object 1, it means you start placing object 2 into the knapsack. When you place object 2 into the knapsack, its weight is 4 and profit is minus 10. Next you have to place object 3 into the knapsack, its weight is 6 and profit is minus 12. Then the remaining space available is 6 plus 4, it is 10, and 15 minus 10 means the space available is 5. And again space available is only 5 in the knapsack. And again you want to place the object 4 into the knapsack, but the weight of the object 4 is 9. That's why it is not possible to completely place the object 4 into the knapsack, because only remaining space is 5. Then you can calculate the fractional part as 5 divided by 9 into 18 and you will get profit as minus 10. Make the addition of minus 10 plus minus 12 plus minus 10 and you will get the new upper number as minus 32. Similarly, calculate the lower number u as, place the object 2 into the knapsack with weight 4 and profit minus 10. Place the object 3 into a knapsack with a weight 6 and the profit minus 12. And again you can simply discard the object 4 because it is not possible to completely include or place object 4 into the knapsack. That's why profit is 0. Then make the addition of minus 12 plus minus 10 and you will get the new upper number as minus 22. These are the two values. These are the two values you will get at node 3 as minus 32 and minus 22. Similarly, expand the node 2 and node 3 as 4, 5, 6 and 7 and also calculate the upper number and lower number at each node 4, 5, 6 and 7 as shown in this state space tree. That is, we are expanding the node 1 with object 1, we are expanding node 2 once with object 2 and once without object 2. Similarly, we are expanding node 3 once with object 2, that is placing object 2 into the knapsack, and once without placing object 2 into the knapsack. Then with this expansion you will get the new values as the minus 38, minus 32, minus 36, minus 22, minus 32, minus 22 and minus 30 and minus 30 at the nodes 4, 5, 6 and 7 respectively. Then once you calculated the new upper number and lower number at the node 4, 5, 6 and 7 respectively, then you have to compare the minimum lowest number with the global number and that you have to replace. That is, when you compare minus 32 with minus 22, again minus 22 with minus 22 and with minus 30, out of these four values minus 32 is the minimum value. This minimum value minus 32 you have to use for a further expansion. That is, among minus 32, minus 22, minus 22 and 30, minus 32 is the least value. That's why you simply discard node 5, 6 and 7 and you only expand further node 4 as shown in this state space tree. and also you have to replace the original global value minus 32 with the new global value as minus 32. Then next you have to consider to expand the node 4, you will get two more nodes as node 8 and 9, and how you can expand it once using or placing object 3 into the knapsack and once without using object 3 into the knapsack. Then when you expand node 4, you will get the new child nodes as 8 and 9 with once with placing object 3 into the knapsack and once without placing object 3 into the knapsack. Then here again applying the same calculation, you will get the upper number and lower number values at the node 8 and 9 as minus 38, minus 32 and minus 38 and minus 32. Again you have to further expand the node 8 and 9 as node 10, 11, 12 and 13. Then when you expand the node 8 further as node 10 and 11, the node 10 becomes infeasible because it is not possible to place all the object 1, 2, 3 and 4 into a knapsack because it simply exceeds the maximum knapsack capacity. That is, when you place all the object 1, 2, 3 and 4 into the knapsack, the total weight becomes 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9. Total weight becomes 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 equal to 21, but the given maximum knapsack capacity is only 15. That's why the node 10 becomes infeasible when you try to include or try to place all 4 objects 1, 2, 3, 4 into the knapsack. Then next you have to calculate the upper number and lower number at node 11 as placing object 1, object 2 and object 3 into a knapsack but without placing object 4 into the knapsack, and you will get the values minus 32 and minus 32. Similarly, calculate the upper number and lower number at the node 12 as placing object 1 and object 2 into the knapsack without placing object 3 into the knapsack and again placing object 4 into the knapsack. And also you have to calculate the upper number and lower number at node 13 by placing object 1 into the knapsack, object 2 into the knapsack and without placing object 3 into the knapsack and without placing object 4 into the knapsack, and you will get the values, you will get the numbers as minus 20 and minus 20. Again among these you have to calculate, you have to compare minus 32, minus 38 and minus 20, and you will get the list value as the minus 38. Then because being a list number as a minus 32, minus 38, the node 12 is the solution node. Then from this node 12 as the solution node, you will easily recognize that the object 1, object 2 and object 4 are placed into a knapsack to get the maximum profit, and object 3 is simply discarded. And with this, finally the node 12 is a solution where objects 1, 2 and 4 are placed into knapsack with maximum profit of 38, and simply object 3 is discarded or not placed into a knapsack.